Hello, my name is Irina Bjorn, and today in Copenhagen it's a big event. It's Eurovision. It's a competition about the song, the best song in Europe. And it's a lot of teams from Ukraine, Russia, and everybody peaceful together from Sweden, from Austria, and from Georgia. And in order to celebrate this for several hours, I suggest that you make the erotical dinner, because erotical dinner show you how it's inside this energy will transform to the energy of the love. And the best to eat, it's a snails, because snails, it's very erotical creature. First, it's very nice made from the mathematician law, their house, and they are hermaphrodite or androids. They are always the man and the woman. They are everything. When two snails, you can see this today in the afternoon, it was rain and I was in the rain and I was filming two snails. When they meet each other, they start to talk. When they talk, they thought, okay, I will be the man and I will be the woman, and then they start the act of the love. That is why when you eat the snails, all of this energy from the man and energy from the woman come to your body, transform this, and you start to be the whole person. And in the competition today, also one of the performance is from Austria, and it's a man and the woman together, and it's so nice because it shows that everything in our life, there variety of the things and everything together. And remember, you can vote for, not for your country, but the country who perform the best. I would like to see cheers and good evening in Copenhagen. Cheers to you with champagne and snails.